So. Okay, my spotty senses are tingling.
You know how sometimes you ask me if you need to listen or
Oh.
if you need to fix it? I think I'm going to ask if you can fix something.
What do you need me to fix?
The laundry area.
Oh.
The first problem is when I hang up my clean clothes, these are dirty. Then this, you can't open it when we're cooking two things at once.
The struggle is real, y'all.
We can't go outside.
Wait, this is you. You don't go outside. See, you don't even know how the door works.
You can't go outside this way, or you can't come in this way. All right.
So what you're saying is I need to throw this thing away and you can just get over it.
No, because I need a place to hang my clothes. So you think you can fix it?
There, fixed. I'm done.
Okay. Oh, this is a nice box. Oh.
So yeah, what do you think?
That's really kind of nice.
Yeah, it's kind of sleek. It looked like it was decent. The reviews weren't bad. I gave it a shot. Like 20 bucks. I threw 20 bucks at it.
And there's two of them?
Yeah. I mean, I can put them up. We'll see what happens.
All right, let's do it.
Well,
I mean,
there's something, before we can do it, there's something else you'll need to do involving clothing.
Oh. These are neat. Wait, let me show you how easy this is.
That's not what I meant. Luckily, we got rid of the furnace upstairs, so I guess my next project's going to be converting that into an actual closet. Maybe I'll move this into the other location.
On the next episode of She Fusses, He Fixes. There is room for it.
Does that work for you?
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta say, it is kind of nice being able to open this door now. The screws that come with it are meh. And that hole is already there for this. I don't know if the head of this screw will fit without interfering. I'm gonna experiment.
Yeah, but you only have two of those screws, right?
Yes, but for now, we'll hang this to one. So the other screw would go right there. Man, the head of that screw is a hair bit too big.
Why don't you just put the one that came with it on there?
Well, it's got a very small thing, so if I put that screw in this hole, it's just going to pull right out.
Oh.
I could drill a new hole.
So that was the screw that came with it.
This is the actual screw that came with it. See, now I got to get it as close as I can. Because I want it to be as little bit of play as possible. Like, I really wish the head of the screw was bigger. That's my one complaint so far. That's where I like it to be. I'm going to cheat. It's about level. I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole in the sheetrock just so I know where I want to go. Because now this one I can finish tightening up
Through the hole.
through the hole. There we go. Nice and tight. One little thing I saw that I might need to address is that each time this comes down, it kind of knocks this a little bit. Kind of like wants to knock it out. Okay, don't push up.
Why did you take them off the wall?
So I want to try to get them as close as I can to the same height. And since it doesn't have the option to put a screw through here, I can't line it up and then get the hole perfect. So I am going to use the screw that's there, put my level across that screw, and try to put the screw at the same height.
Ah.
This is the fun part. Ta-da!
Okay, now I get to do some laundry.
Just gonna leave them. So in theory, you just grab it, push up. Boom!
Yeah, I don't like that.
I mean, I could see if by some miracle it works better on the other side. It's just where that hinge is tighter than the other. Just some iffiness in the manufacturing process. I think I'm going to come in here and just put a screw into the wall up top, just so you can't bump it up.
Yeah.
Because it's just sitting on those screws. You bump it up, it's going to flop right off, just like I can pick it up. There we go. Now she is locked. My job here is done.
Well, I drop them on the regular thing. So my only concern would be these are still a little damp. And on the thing I can put them pretty far apart, but on this I won't be able to.
Yeah, I mean, technically, from what I saw online, some of them have a connecting thing. Like, I could actually take something like this, put it through here.
Oh.
Or technically, they actually sell them, I think, with that as well.
Ah.
Already built in. But we went with the super cheap option. Hey, you want to twirl this?
No, I do not.
You don't have a desire to twirl it?
I do. I've got a really big desire to. You know, I can't see something this shape. It's a little.
Hey, you still got it. You see something long, you just got to grab it in your hands and twirl it around?
First, I would honestly probably have these here.
So what you're saying is I need to get one more and put it over here on this side.
That's a really. You came up with a good idea. I mean, technically we could get another 2-pack and then put one here for the hangers and then one here for like extra. Oh, she didn't do laundry for a while.
So like normal.
I mean, yes.
Overall, I would say we have a success. I believe the wife is happy. My perspective, what did I like, what did I not like? So I'm not really a fan that the plastic piece here kind of isn't tight and, you know, has a little bit of looseness. Now, it hits the head of the screw, so it will only go so far. The one unit seemed to be a little bit tight at the top, and it wasn't exactly perfectly formed when we looked at it, so that one kind of doesn't naturally close all the way. You kind of have to push it in, and even then it doesn't close, so that's a little bit frustrating. But the one other thing is that the way the holes line up, you can't get to this one. I would have preferred to have an actual hole that I might have been able to kind of screw through to make it so that it was really tight. I was able to work around that by simply putting a screw on the top side to prevent you from being able to push it up. So now she is locked tight, not going anywhere. I feel a lot better about that. If I had had some, I would have used a little bit bigger head screw. The ones that I tried to use were too big and wouldn't really fit in the hole, and I didn't feel like buying some. So these are good enough. They've held what we need to do.
And guess what? The wife is happy. Would you buy them again?
Yes. And in fact, I may buy another set and put one on the wall over here, maybe one on this very, very crooked wall right here that needs to be replaced anyway. I might even investigate. There is a pack of these that comes with the bar, but I don't know if it's worth the money to get the one with the bar. The nice thing is it's going to have like little notches, so it sits on the metal rails easy. Well, I'll leave the specs below in the comment section or in the description. That way you can see like how much weight each one of these claims it can hold. And we'll throw in some links for the different versions. We'll throw in the links to the ones that we got and some slightly different versions of it that also have that. So
That bar.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it'll have the specs in there as well, so it can hold. But it does feel sturdy. Like,
yeah, it held.
one thing to be wary of, because this is sticking so far out, if you hit it hard enough, you can break those screws off. Just make sure you are careful with tall objects around this. But now we can get to the electrical panel. We can actually open the back door and look outside, or go in and out of this door if I need to. It freed up all the room back here.
Yep.
The mud room is now officially a mud room again. I can actually walk in here instead of in the other area.